So for this video, I'm going to explain how to convert a decimal into a percentage. And I think the best way to learn is just to jump into it. And if you are concerned or have any questions, you can just leave them below, but hopefully they'll be answered as we go through the question. So 0.21 is a decimal and we want to convert it into a percentage. So all we're going to do to convert it into a percentage is times the decimal by 100. So 0.21 times 100 is 21%. Now, if you don't know how to times a decimal by 100, I'm going to go through that now. So 0.21, I put a bunch of zeros around it. Now it is still 0.21 and these other zeros are always there, but we're just not writing them because it would just take up too much time and they're not necessary. Now don't think too much about the zeros, but it's going to be a really good way to show you how decimals are moved when you times them by 10, 100 or 1000. Now because we're timesing the 21 in this case by 100, we're going to move each unit over by 2 places. So for example, if we wanted to times it by 10, we would move both numbers over to the left by 1 because they're getting bigger by tenfold. If it was by 1000, 3 zeros, we're going to move them 3 places. Now if we times the 21 figure by 100, the 2 is going to move over 2 places and the 1 is going to move over 2 places. And that's because if you times it by 100, it's going to move 2 places to the left. So it's going to get 2 decimal places bigger effectively. So that's going to leave us with 0021.000. We can just get rid of these zeros because it's effectively just saying 21 and the answer is 21. So that's how you times a decimal by 10, 100 or 1000. Now jumping on to question 2, I'm not going to go into as much detail, but if we take 0.42 times it by 100 to get it in a percentage form, it's going to be 42%. Now again, if you didn't understand any little components, leave a comment down below. Hope it was clear, hope it made sense, and best of luck with your maths, and thank you for watching the video.